guys, welcome to another Online with Judy Fine vocal workout video. If you enjoy this video, please like it, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and head over to onlinewithjudyfine.com to find out about more online learning options. Enjoy your workout. So I call this exercise the larynx drop. You're gonna sing on an ah. Ah. Sing that low ah with a nice open throat. Ah. Your larynx dropped. And you're gonna maintain that nice open positioning as you sing an ah an octave higher. And then we're gonna go back down to the low one. So it's gonna go like this. Ah. 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 So try to keep that open position in your throat. Ah, 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 Nice open throat, keep going. Drop that larynx on the low one. Try to keep it down there on the high one. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah, ah. Keep going. Of course, your ribs should be strong and your shoulders should be relaxed. One more time. Nice wide neck. Check that your shoulders are relaxed.